missed teaching you, which is important. So before we do anything else, we will start that. That is the delta start delta or start delta and delta star conversion. So in this process, these three instances between points 1, 2, and 3. Say this is RA, this is RB, this is RC. They form a delta connection. Why it is called the delta? Because it resembles this triangle. This resembles the Greek letter capital delta. Okay. So there is a alpha, beta, gamma, you know, delta. So delta is a Greek letter. Okay. Capital delta looks like this. Small delta looks like this. Okay. That is why it is called a delta. Delta connection. Okay. Sometimes it also called it as mesh connection also used. A delta or mesh connection. Another configuration could be with three instances is the star connection. Now, why it looks called star, that I'm not sure. Maybe it looks like a star. Also sometimes called as Y connection. Okay. This delta connection. Sometimes known as mesh connection. The star connection. Sometimes known as Y connection. They're the same thing. Okay. In some problems, it is beneficial that if the resistances are given a delta configuration, we can convert it into a star configuration and vice versa. Is it okay? If three instances are given in delta configuration, we can convert it into a star configuration and vice versa. Let us name this a little bit differently. Let us call this RC. Let's call this RC. RB. Okay. Now we will see a method of converting three instances in a delta form configuration into the corresponding star configuration and the reverse. If there is a star configuration, convert it into the delta configuration. How to do it? If these configurations are equivalent, then obviously the equivalent resistances between any two points will be the same. If they have to be the same, then if you measure the resistance between points 1 and 2 in both configurations, they should give you the same answer. 2 and 3, they should give you the same answer. 1 and 3 should give you the same answer. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the equivalent resistance between points 2 and 3 in the delta configuration? As per the delta configuration, what is the equivalent resistance between points 2 and 3? Consider the delta configuration. Then what is the equivalent resistances between point 2 and 3? Tell me. What is the equivalent resistance distances between points 2 and 3?
So RA plus RC into RB by RA plus RC plus RB.
You mean RA plus RC, the series conjugation of RA and RC parallel to RB. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That can be given as what I think you told. RA RB plus RB RC. RA RB RC. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to R2 plus R3 as per the star configuration. Because in the star configuration, R1 is between 2 and 3. R1 is unconnected, so it will not play any part. So it will be a series combination of R2 and R3. Is it okay? In the star
Yes,
configuration, R1 is unconnected, so it will not conduct anything. So obviously it is a series combination of R2 and R3. So the equivalent is R2 plus R3, right? So this is between points 2 and 3. So between points 1 and 3, what this will be? RB plus RC parallel RA. That is RA RB plus RA RC, RA plus RB plus RC. That is equal to R1 plus R2. Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then points 2 and 3, sorry, 1 and 2, third possible combination. RA plus RB, RC, RA RC, RB RC, RA plus RB plus RC. That is equal to R1 plus R3. Okay? Right? Let us say
Yes, sir.
question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Somebody is waiting. Okay? Now what to do? Let us subtract 2 from 3. What do we get? In the right hand side, I get R1 minus R2 because R3 gets cancelled out. If we subtract 2 from 3, then we get we subtract
RC
1
into RA
from
minus RB.
1 minus 3. 3, this one. This one and this one. Subtract this equation from this equation. Then R3 gets cancelled out. We get R1 minus R2 in the right hand side. In the left hand side, what do we obtain? RA, RB, RC. We get RARC minus RARB. Is it okay? If we do this, correct? Let us say
Yes, sir.
question number 4. Now what we will do? We will add 2 and 4. So if we add 2 and 4, what do we get? Let's minimize this a bit so that we can see the interaction. RA, RB, RC, this stays at this. What is 2? 2 is RA, RB plus RA, RC. And what is 4? RA, RC minus RA, RB. So this gets cancelled. And this will give 2R1. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 2 gets cancelled out. R1 becomes RA/RC, RA plus RB plus RC. Just take a look what is RA and RC. These two. So this resistance is this into this divided by sum of this. Okay. Okay. I am drawing it again for your convenience. This is RA. Sorry, this is RC. RC, RA, RB. Okay. RC, RA, RB. And this is R1, R2, R3. So R1 is this one. Right? Right? So by using symmetry, what will be R2 by symmetry?
RA RB by RA plus RB plus RC.
Be careful.
Sorry, RB RC.
RB, RC.
RB RC.
And R3 will be RA, RB, RA plus RB plus RC. Special case, RA equal to RB equal to RC equal to R delta. What is R1, R2, R3? Anyone?
So then RB3.
Sorry? One more time, I couldn't hear you.
So R by 3.
R by 3. Very good. When R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R delta by 3. Well done. Okay. Right? Now what to do if you want to do the opposite? If we know R1, R2, R3 and when we want to calculate RA, RB, RC, how do we approach the question? Do the opposite. We multiply R1 and R2. That will be RA, RB, RC square, RA plus RB plus RC whole square. We can write that. Can we write this? R1 times R2. Okay.
Yes.
Multiply this two. We can write this. Okay. Similarly, we multiply R2, R3. RA, RB square RC, RA, RB, RC whole square, R1, R3, RA square, RB, RC, RA plus RB plus RC whole square. Then what is R1?
एक चीज बोलना था सर।
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सर R1 का हम लोग को जो वैल्यू मिला, जो RA RC बाई RA प्लस RB प्लस RC, उसको हम लोग इक्वेशन में अगर पुट करेंगे तो R2 का मिलेगा। तो R2 तो सर RA RB बाई RA प्लस RB प्लस RC आ रहा है, और आपने R2 RB RC लिखा है।
R2 RB RC डिपेंड नहीं, इसमें कितने क्या है? इसमें RB RC होगा ना? ऐसा
सर आपका आवाज कट गया।
So your voice is breaking.
oh that is net problem. Wait, is it better?
हाँ
Is it
सर।
better? Actually my BSNL connection not working. I am on a mobile net connection, so I'm sorry. This is the best I have. If it is breaking, let me know. Yes, what was your question? This one, see the derivation.
हाँ सर।
ठीक है,
हाँ सर, R1 में हम लोग को RA RC, हाँ
देखो कहाँ का प्रॉब्लम बता।
हाँ सर, R1 में हम लोग को RA RC मिल रहा है। अगर इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे हम लोग तो R2
R1
तो
में
RA RB मिलना चाहिए ना। R1 में RA RC मिल रहा है।
R1 में R, हाँ ये देखो R1 कहाँ पर है, 1 में। यहाँ पे 1 में कौन सा रजिस्टर है,
हाँ
RARC, ठीक है। अब 2 में
हाँ
कौन सा कनेक्टेड है, R2, उसमें RB और RC है। 2 में RB RC वहां से इस तरह से
सर,
देखो।
लेकिन इक्वेशन वाइज अगर पुट करेंगे R1 का वैल्यू, अगर सेकंड इक्वेशन पुट करेंगे तो RA RB आ रहा है ना।
तुमको R2 निकलना है ना,
हाँ
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं,
हाँ हाँ
ट्राई करते हैं हम। यहाँ पर R2 अगर निकलना है मुझे, तो मुझे R1 को हटाना होगा। सो लेट अस डू R2 माइनस R3
हाँ
और 2 माइनस 3 क्या आता है। 2 माइनस 3 में R2 माइनस R3, this will become RARB RARC minus RARC minus RBRC, RARC gets cancelled, RA plus RB plus RC, ठीक है, ये आ रहा है।
हाँ सर। हाँ
अब
हाँ
ऐड करते हैं इस 1 के साथ, तो 2R2 इक्वल टू RARB माइनस RBRC प्लस RARB प्लस RBRC, इसके कैंसल, और RA प्लस RB प्लस RC। तो R2 आएगा, RB RA RB, नो वेट,
सर लेकिन फिगर
हाँ
में
सर,
तो
वही
कुछ और ही दिख रहा है।
सर वही मैं बोल रहा था, जो R2 आ रहा है RA RB।
यहाँ पर देखो 2 और 3 के बीच में RARC, ठीक है, पैरेलल टू RB, हाँ तो ये ठीक है। और 1 और 3 के बीच में RBRC पैरेलल टू RA, सो RARB RARC R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3, ये ठीक है। और 1 और 2 के बीच में RA प्लस RB, दैट इज RARC RBRC, ये तो यहाँ तक ठीक है।
सर सेकंड इक्वेशन में 1 और 3 के बीच में R1 प्लस R3 होगा।
राइट राइट राइट, ये इज द प्रॉब्लम, एब्सोल्युटली इज द मिस्टेक। यस, अब देखो अब शायद ठीक हो गया, एब्सोल्युटली इज द मिस्टेक। So if I do 3 minus 1, so you want to find R1, we need to eliminate R1 from, sorry, if we need to find R1, we need to find it in terms of eliminate R3 from 1 and 2. So we have to do, let's do it afresh. Let's do it afresh. One, two, two. This is R1, R2, R3. Okay, and how did I name the other one? This is RC, RB, RA. Okay. We can name it this way. So from 1 and 2, RA plus RB parallel RC, that is RA RC plus this is equal to, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Aditya Kishan. And if my voice breaks, tell me, because I cannot do much about it at the moment. I can only repeat what I have said. This is equal to, right? Second is 1 and 3. So just check. I am doing it with you, not copying it. That is RB, RA plus RC. If I make a mistake, point it down. Correct? We can write this. Third one,
Yes, sir, correct.
between 1 and between 2 and 3, it is RA, RB plus RC, RA plus RB plus RC, that is equal to R2 plus R3, right? So R1 minus R2, this will be RA RB plus RA RB RC minus RA RB minus RA RC. This gets cancelled. RA plus RB plus RC is equal to RC. Will be this way. Okay. Then we add it with 1. We add this with, we add this with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 1 plus 4, we get R1, that is equal to RB RC, RA plus RB plus RC. Is it coming correct? Yes. R2 equal to RA RC, RA plus RB plus RC. R3 equal to RA RB, RA plus RB. Is it okay? Check.
Yes, sir.
How to remember?
Yes, sir.
For each node, just see which two resistors are connected by that particular node, and that will come into the numerator. Okay. Okay, if this okay, my voice is like strange, nice like voice or correct voice. I don't know. Can you hear me properly? Yes or no? Right or true? Because if you are not able to hear me, then there's no point continuing the class. Can you hear me properly?
So now it's all right.
Yes, sir.
Now it is all right.
A while ago it was breaking.
If it is breaking, just inform me it is breaking. Okay. Then I will see what I can.
Okay, sir.
Now let us multiply this equation in pairs. R1, R2 is what? RA, RB, RC square, RA plus RB plus RC whole square. Okay. R1, R3 will be RA, RB square RC, RA plus RB plus RC square, and R2, R3 will be RA square, RB, RC, RA plus RB plus RC whole square. Now, if we add these three in pairs, then it will be R1, R2 plus R1, R3 plus R2, R3. That will be RA, RB, RC, RA, RB, RC times by RA RC whole square. So one of them gets cancelled. That is equal to RA RB RC RA plus RB plus RC. Sorry, whole square will not be no longer be there. Right? We can write this.
Yes, sir.
Now see. What is this term? The term I have circled in red. What is this term? This term is R1. Check. The circle term is R1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can write this is equal to RA times R1. Similarly, RB times R2. Check. RB times R2 equal to RC times R3. Okay. Verify it by yourself. See the equations. Verify it by yourself. Okay. By the way, after 2 minutes, the class will be over. So you can join in the same link. Okay. The same link you are used to come to this class. You can join in the same link for the next classes. Right. So we can write this. So what is RA? RA would be simply R1, R2, R1. Voice is shattering. Okay, just tolerate it for 2 minutes, 1 minute more. This class will be over. After that, I will try to reconnect using BSNL. Okay, then I think it will be better.
सर ये टॉपिक क्या हो रहा है हमको उतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Topic is delta star and star delta conversion. Okay. The topic is delta star and star delta conversion.
सर आप अपलोड कर देंगे ना वीडियो
हाँ, अपलोड
रिकॉर्डेड.
कर देंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. And I am sure in the uploaded version the voice will be better because it is recorded with the hard disk. So we can write this. Okay. So I cut the class. I will try to rejoin using BSNL. You try to join the same link. Okay. So I'm cutting this. We'll continue in 5 minutes.